Hey YouTube. Hey, heading out today doing some fishing. Gonna take the kayak out, so just making a video here just to show the kayak real quick. Sunday, a couple people are out on the lake in kayaks. So maybe they went ashore. There's a campground over there, so kind of an open little lake. There's some bass in here, so we'll see what we can find. I'm gonna mount the camera on this new mount I got for my kayak, so maybe I can spin it and get a different perspective and actually show a fish instead of telling a story. But all right, we'll check in later if we catch anything. All right, see ya. All right, got the kayak launched. Let's head out and see what we can see. I like to get out away from the dock a little bit. It rained hard yesterday all day, so today's a nice day. Little wind though. I don't got an anchor with me, so we'll just drift. Alright, well, there. Alright, so I'll just paddle us out there a ways. The wind's blowing back at us, so we're going to drift back to the boat launch. So I'm going to turn you off and I'll paddle us out there and see if we can't catch a fish. Alright, talk to you later. I'm just a little ways from the boat dock, but deeper water. Let's see what happens here. All right, just got the first fish of the day here. Ice bass. Looks like I hooked him down on his mouth a little bit, but not too bad. Come on, let's quit spinning. There we go. There. Yeah, that's a nice fish, though. Yep, you're okay, buddy.
Good shit.
There he goes. Good.
Oh yeah, he'll be alright.
Yeah, no damage. Yeah, that was a pretty good one. All right, first fish of the day.